Hey YouTube, it's your girl Queen K here again with another video, and today's video is going to be the Tgin full wash day. I'm using the Clinical R Repair brand line. So yeah, I'm doing the shampoo. As you guys can see, a lot of water was getting in my eyes, but I love the shampoo. It gave a great lather, which I am the biggest on with shampooing. It definitely didn't strip any of my oils, nutrients out of my hair, but you can definitely tell it cleansed the scalp that I needed, because I did have a lot of gel from the previous style in my hair. So definitely love the shampoo. We'll give it a 9 out of a 10 on my scale. The texture, I mean not the texture, texture was very gooey. Like I said, the lather was great and the smell was pretty good, not a strong smell, so I definitely like that, and I will be using this again. So yeah, so check it out and I'll be back for the conditioner. Okay, so now I'm using the conditioner. You guys can see a very thick cream base. It's not the deep conditioner, it's just a regular conditioner, which I haven't really used often, so I was kind of excited of using this to see if it made any kind of a difference, using it before the actual deep conditioner. As you can see, I was putting it all over my hair, not sectioning it, just getting it on every strand as possible. And I also did a massage of my scalp while this was in. I kept it in for about 5 minutes before washing it out, but I didn't keep it in too long because I know it wasn't the deep conditioner and I was going to put that in as well. On a scale of 9 out of 10 for me, it would be a 8. It definitely helped with the detangling of my hair with the deep conditioner, so that's why I liked it. The smell was not too strong, the same as the shampoo, so it didn't really bother me. I will be using this again, and of course I love the texture because it was a thick cream base, and I love cream base products. Okay, you guys, so now I'm at the deep conditioner. The shampoo's already washed out, and you can see I've used a lot of it already. I love this brand. So of course, sectioning my hair and doing it in sections and putting in twists. Like I said prior, the conditioner did help, I feel, of having the detangles coming out of my hair, because the slip with that conditioner and my hair was already soft from the regular conditioner. It made a big difference in the detangling, so it wasn't an all-day process. It was just, the slip was great. I loved it. See, the comb went right through on the first time. It wasn't like a big issue with the detangling, and all I had to do was use my fingers. So of course I love the deep conditioner. It's a 10 out of 10 or a 9 out of a 10 for me. The texture was of course a thick cream base, which I love, and I will be using this again. And of course the smell was amazing. It's not too strong, which I don't like a strong smell, and it worked perfectly for my hair, and my hair felt amazing after washing this out. So you guys continue to watch, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so the deep conditioner is in, and you see I put on a regular plastic bag, and then my known deep conditioner scarf, and then I also put on a bonnet before I put on the heating cap, which is also, I love, a great little cute cheap event product that I got off of Amazon, that you just connect your blow dryer to it at the other end, and then you cut it on, and it's like a portable dryer, which helps definitely when you have deep conditioner, because it keeps that moisture in and keeps all that good stuff in your hair. So the last section, I use just a oil, which is my coconut oil, and then I did use a leave-in. I'm sorry, I used a leave-in, a coconut oil, and then a cream. The leave-in and the cream was both Tgin. The oil was just an organic coconut oil that I've used prior on previous videos. But I'll link all of the products down below in the description box for you guys if you want to get these products. But I did it in the LOC method, and as you can see, I put it in tiny twists, which I like to do after having braids in, to give my hair some breathing time before putting in some more braids or protective style. So I left this in for about a week after, so I didn't take any pictures of my hair afterwards, I'm sorry guys, but I did take it like maybe a week and a half after I took the twists out. So the curls were really no longer there, but my hair still felt amazing, and I feel like with these pictures you're going to be able to see it. But I'll put the pictures at the end of the video so you guys can take a look and see how my hair looked after this full wash day. But yeah, you guys, basically I just put the leave-in, put the oil and the cream, and then twist it up, and that was it. But yeah, that was it. So thank you guys for staying to the end. Appreciate it as always. And of course, I like to thank you guys for supporting me, watching my videos, liking, subscribing, and commenting, and letting me know how I'm doing. I appreciate all that. Don't forget, of course, if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe, like, and comment on it, and let your girl know how she is doing. And I hope you guys stay to the end to see the final results. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Alright guys, as promised, here's a couple of pics to show you guys how my hair looked afterwards. But like I said, it was still soft. It's just the curls didn't come out as planned.